Hello, I'm George. I'm the production manager here at Wacky World. So today I want to give you a little behind the scenes of what we do back here in the production area. So here we are in the Sculpt department. This is where we do all of our sculpting. We use EPS foam. We do various things out of it. We have very talented sculptors here. So a lot of our methods is sculpt by hand, and afterwards we will go through the hard coat process into paint. We sculpt everything from trees, rocks, waves, animals, critters, you name it, we can sculpt it. So here we are in the carpentry department. We do a lot of things here out of wood. Sometimes it'll be wood and foam combined. Sometimes it's just wood, fiberglass, you name it. We also have a welding department back over in the corner. We can fabricate just about anything you need. So in here we got various projects going on. We do cabinetry. We can do just about anything you ask for. Along with all the other processes we can do, we also have the CNC machines. We can route out just about anything you need. So here we are in front of the paint booth. This is where we do a lot of our hard coating. Our hard coat is basically a two-part urethane where we put over the foam afterward. So here's one of our pieces that's been hard coated. It's getting ready to be primed and painted. This is what it looks like after it's been sculpted and then hard coated. So the hard coat process, it's like I mentioned before, it's a two-part urethane. So part of that is it makes it very durable, almost indestructible. It's great for outside. It's very impact resistant. It can withstand a lot of the wear and tear of kids climbing on it and playing on it. It's a very durable product. So here we are in the paint department. This is where we let painters do some of their paintings. Sometimes we have various processes. We might be using an automotive finish or an automotive clear coat. So we're going to do a lot of that in our booth. Some really talented artists here that really make these things come to life.